everyone, thought I would share something fun with you today. I actually received a new magnetic lash in the mail from Bare Your Heart. As most of you know that have been following me for a bit, I swear by these lashes. I use them all the time. I use them in all of my photo shoots, and I also have a video of them in my highlights. So if you want to go on there and watch and hear me talk all about them, go for it. So today I have the Eve Full Lash. This is a limited edition version of the Eve Lash. So the Eve Lash is one of the styles she currently offers as a full lash. She also offers it as a 3/4 lash and a half lash. So this is the traditional Eve. So the Eve comes with your strip for the top and 2 extra sets of bottom lashes, or 1 extra set and 1 set that goes with it, but you know. And then the new set, so this difference with these ones are, one, the packaging. As you can see, it comes in this cute little compact, but also these ones are actually slightly shorter than the traditional full Eve. So these, the length of them actually is comparable to the Princess Diana. So if that one fits your eye really well, this one will definitely fit your eye really well. The Princess Diana fits my eye perfectly, and I wear the full lash. She does offer those in a shorter length as well, but personally, I love the look of the full lash. If you're looking for something just a little extra on the end to give you that little flare, her half lashes are a really great option as well. So these ones, as you can see, come with that extra set too. And they come in this really chic looking packaging, really cute. It's magnetic, stick to the bottom. So I figured I would try to put these on for you guys today. I've never really done a tutorial before, so this should be interesting. Bear with me, I'm gonna try my best, and I'm gonna hope you can see what I'm doing here. So she does offer these for putting on your lashes. So it's kind of like an eyelash curler. I talked about this a little bit last time I talked about magnetic lashes, but you basically put your 3 bottom pieces here, your full strip here, make sure it's lined up, and then you just close down. I actually use tweezers to put on my magnetic lashes. I just find it easier for me, and you just have to find out what works best for you when it comes to putting on these things. So I use regular lash tweezers. So what I do is I line it up on my eye, make sure it's all curved on there, as you can see. Then I take my outer edge piece and line it up with my lash, hold it down, come from the bottom, and just stick that on. I do the exact same thing for the middle. Make sure it's held tight against my lash line, and put it underneath. Now, last one, right in the corner here. Same thing, hold it down, line it up, click. Here it is. So these, as I said, are the Eve limited edition. I'll do a little comparison for you with the Princess Diana's. I talked about these previously, and I wear them all the time. I'm sure you've seen them in some of my makeup looks, but this way you can kind of see the difference. The Diana's, I will say, are a little bit more full. They're not as long. The Eves are a little bit longer, but you'll see kind of once I put them on what the difference is. So I'm going to put them on here. Same thing, hold your lash to the fake one, and then stick on your magnet. Do the same thing for the middle. Last one for the inner corner. Okay, so here they are. So, as you can see, you could visibly tell that these are a little longer, while these are a little more full. I personally love them both. I do wear these ones a lot, but now that I have these ones, I think I'll be wearing these a lot too. And now for taking them off, let me show you. So, basically you take your magnets, put them in between your fingers, and slide in opposite directions. Doing it like this, make sure that your lashes don't get damaged, both your natural ones and of course your magnetic lashes. So I really recommend that you take them off properly and don't just kind of yank them off. these lashes will last a really long time if you take good care of them. My first pair of the Princess Dianas I actually had for quite a few months before I vacuumed it up. So, let's take off these now. I put them back in the box. She does sell a really cool palette as well that you could store all of your lashes on. This way they're all in one place if that's something you like. I personally like to keep all the boxes and keep them all there. But the palette is really great for traveling. I do use that when I want to switch out my lashes in between photo shoots, or if I'm going away somewhere. It's better than carrying around a bunch of boxes. So here's what it looks like. If you open it up, it's sectioned so you can store each style in a different spot. Really, really great product. So I'm sure some of you aren't that into the natural lash. Some of you might like a little drama. So I figured I'll do a quick comparison of the dramatic lashes as well for you. So I apologize, I don't usually do tutorials, so here goes nothing, right? So I'm going to put on the Anastasias first. I'm going to put them on this eye, and then I will put on the Queen Elizabeth lash so that you can see. So again, make sure you're all lined up. What's nice about her magnetic lashes is they kind of contour to the eye naturally, whereas other brands I've tried, no matter how hard I sit there and try to make it work, they just don't fit right. Ever since I tried this brand, I never went back to anything else. And I will say that these are definitely one of the best purchases, beauty purchases I've made. Slash what has been sent to me. I love them, and I definitely wouldn't recommend them if I didn't love them. Okay, let's put on the Queens. So as you can see, these are the Anastasias. You can see that they're really long, but they're not super duper thick. Oops, I didn't secure that one properly. Try that again. Okay, sorry about that. Here we go. So now we're gonna put on the Queen Elizabeths. As I said, these ones are a lot thicker. If you're someone who likes to go out and do really dramatic eye makeup, these are perfect. I actually wear these and the Anastasias when I go out over the weekend. I definitely don't wear them day to day, but some people can pull that off. I just can't. People at work would look at me like I was crazy. So, as you can see, these ones definitely look much fuller. These ones are a little longer, but both are equally beautiful and both equally look definitely something that when you see them, you're like, oh wow, those are great lashes. Dramatic, but not, oh my gosh, like what is she doing? So I like both of these styles a lot. I've already used the Anastasias quite a bit, and I haven't even had them that long. So taking them off is super easy, and putting them on takes under a minute. So if you have any questions about these products, please feel free to reach out. If you are interested in purchasing them, you can feel free to use my discount code. It's Nikki10 with all caps, and you can get 10% off orders of 35 or more. They're definitely worth the investment. I don't know about you, but before I started using these, I would be purchasing strip lashes all the time. When I take my photos for the blog, I really like to have a full put together look, and lashes, I think, just kind of step that up on camera. From far away too, it just looks like your makeup's done really well. So for me, magnetic lashes have been kind of a lifesaver. I don't have to sit here and worry about glue every time I'm gonna go take a photo, and again, as I said, for everyday wear, they don't look ridiculous. It looks like natural, or it looks like you have eyelash extensions. So I think that these are really a great product, and I definitely wouldn't recommend this stuff to you guys if I didn't really feel that they were a good product. So you can check her out, www.bareyourheart.com, or her Instagram is bareyourheart, and that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thanks for bearing with me through this video. Still learning, so thanks guys, bye.